Today we are staying at Disney's Vero Beach Resort. We have a standard view in room here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort, and we're gonna show you around. Here's our room, it's 2401. We are right off the lobby on the top level. So we're gonna come on in and start a room tour. We have, the first thing is you walk in, you have this little shelf. This is awesome, but right here you have a kitchenette, which this is just a normal in room, but you still have the kitchenette. So you have the full coffee pot, the coffee, the stuff to wash dishes. You have a sink, you have cabinet space under here. You have a little refrigerator. That is awesome. It has places to put cans, which is really great. You have a microwave right here, which is awesome. And up here, you have a toaster, some plasticware, plates, cups, some paper towels, all that type of thing, which is really nice. We're gonna swing around here. We're gonna have a closet. Now this closet has our stuff in it right now, but it also has the hangers, extra pillow, blanket, iron, safe, all that stuff that you would need in a closet. And then we're gonna swing around here. We get to the bathroom. Hello. You of course have some artwork here that's very nice, trash cans, but then you have this sink and you have all this shelf and storage and all that stuff there. You have a nice sink, a nice mirror, you have your makeup mirror and things like that. That is really nice. This even has a light in it, so when you're doing your makeup you can effectively do that. You come in here, you have your toilet, some shelves with some little towels and things like that. The shower is pretty normal. It has just a bathtub shower combo, a normal shower head. It does have the thing for hanging your swimsuits, which is key here. And then of course you have your towels right here. We're gonna move on out. Over here, you have a bench that has a little drawer in it for storage, and a mirror. And then right here, you have some 2 queen beds. This is an in-room. I'll zoom out on that. It's actually a lot of space. And then you even have your table and chairs over there, which is awesome. And you have your sea turtle artwork, super big into turtles here, really nice. You of course have a ceiling fan, which is great. And then you have a lamp over here, which I wonder, I haven't even turned this on yet. Oh, look at that. You have a nice little light. And of course, enhanced cleaning. We're gonna go out to Amelia out here on the balcony. Now this is a standard room, so it doesn't have an ocean view, but you do have 2 chairs that have turtles, a little table. Oh, hey Amelia. And then you have this view, which, I mean, let's be fair, for a standard view is not a bad view. You can see the bridge that you cross. There's the river over there. You can smell the ocean, and the ocean's just gonna be around that corner. So you're out here. Thank you so much for watching that room tour. You should come here and stay at Vero Beach. This is an awesome place to stay. One last thing, if you want to book this room, go ahead and send me an email, ben@keystodreamtravel.com, and I can get you a free quote, and I will help you entirely for free if you're interested in staying here at Disney's Vero Beach.